Oh, that was really pretty, and I have time to take on. Well done, babes. Zoe.
It was like, again, you were like a different person. It was like you were so much more. Theatre's like more up your street as well, isn't it? Is it? No?
I like doing theatre, but not many of the songs suit my voice. But
Yeah. Yeah, but I could tell like you enjoyed it, and the support on the lower notes was amazing. It's not easy to get on this, like as girls. It was honestly incredible, and it was almost as if it was like just you and the microphone. Like it was really like mesmerising and captivating, and your tone is so unique and pretty and beautiful. It was like you outdid yourself, but it was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Kel?
I absolutely love that song. It's a beautiful song choice, and you really shocked me when you went for the lower register, because when you started singing it, you had this really pretty, really feminine quality to your voice, and I thought, oh, you know, are you going to be able to adjust your voice and get down low? And you did, and it was absolutely stunning when you got down there. And I love the fact that you took that song and you made these very little subtle changes to it to suit your voice and mold to your voice. And I know we should be commenting on your voice, but your eyeshadow is just absolutely beautiful. I can't take my eyes off it. This is stunning. I thought it was a stunning performance. You should be really proud of that. Well done.
Thanks, Kel.
I mean, Mia, I mean, like, I know we're all giving nice comments now, but right now, I feel like I want to tip the table over with excitement, because, like, obviously I get to work with you in the studio, and I have to say, like, when we've seen everyone go through these journeys, it comes a time where we see that one little moment where we go, wow, they are blossoming in front of us. And I even looked across to Julia, and she added in her face saying, wow, she's growing really, really. And honestly, it was so unique. I'm so impressed by you, more than maybe everyone might be, but I'm buzzed up by you. The reason why is because to see where you was a couple of months back, and we only have like an hour a week, and I don't get to see you much, you know, and speak to you throughout the week. But it's just like that, for you in this category, this should have been the hardest challenge, because you're not a theatre singer. You're nowhere near it. You're far from it. You're a very, very unique vocalist. You know, the London Grammars, the Florence and the Machines, very breathy, unique sound. And I feel like so far tonight, this is the one that I've been more drawn in, because you made that work wonders. And when you showed me this in the week, I was like, wow, like, I don't even like this song, and you've made it sound really unique and odd and unusual and different. The performance, everything about that then, you should be so proud of yourself, because for me personally, it was the best I've seen of you so far this season. This is your best so far, and that's what you need to be doing. Keep on that path. And you do work hard, and you put everything into what you're doing. That paid off then. My favourite performance of this category so far. Well done, Mia.
Thanks, Zoe.